Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Try.
What does the dictionary say?
A combining form or prefix meaning 3.
Math rap.
You see a word that starts with try, like the word triangle, but you don't know why. This prefix is easy as can be. It simply means things that come in 3.
Math rap.
What did the letter say when the number 3 laid down on his back and pretended to be a W in disguise? Nice try, 3. Explain the concept of try in your own words. I'll give you 3 tries. List 5 everyday objects that start with the prefix try. Your body has 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears. What would you add if you could have try of any of those? Why?
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!